Hello, this video will show you how to schedule a one-on-one Zoom meeting with a student and post it in Otus. So I'm in my Zoom account and I'm just going to schedule a meeting. Okay, I'm going to call this Practice Zoom with Tim. I can give a description here. Please join me for our one-on-one conference. Okay, and then here I'm going to say when I want it to happen. Maybe I want it today at 5 p.m. I can pick the hours, how long I want it. Maybe I'll do 2. Make sure you're on Central Time. Okay. The video, I can have my video on. I can have my participant on. I want my audio to be both. Okay. You can enable the waiting room, or they can enable join before the host, or you can mute the participants upon entering, record the meeting automatically on the local computer. You could always do that as well, so they know, or you can record it to post later if they don't show up, or if you're just scheduling one. I would definitely enable waiting room for right now. Click Save. Okay, and then I'm going to go to add to my calendar, or actually I'm just going to go to copy this invitation. Okay, but I'm going to actually just copy this link. Okay, and then I'm also going to later on copy the password just in case they need to do that. Okay, so I'm going to copy. I'm coming out of here. Then I'm going to go into my Otus account. Okay, I'm going to go into, yours looks a little different just because I have the admin account right now. So just search for Ashley Teachers. Yours just automatically comes up. Tile. Oh, it may be you still. Are you still under Ritter? There you are. Okay. So let's say I would like to do this for somebody in this class. Okay. I'm going to go into my lessons also. I just want to make sure that I had that. I'm going to go into my lessons. I'm going to go create lesson. Lesson title, Zoom practice, one-to-one meeting. Put your directions here. Please join me at 5 p.m. for our one-on-one Zoom lesson, or our one-on-one lesson. Create. Okay. For my activity, I can go here to add new resource. I can click the link. I'm going to post the link. Zoom meeting. Click on the link to join at 5 p.m. Okay. You could also see, okay, and then I'm going to click save. Okay, now here I could say, like, your password is, and I don't think I made it that they had to have a password, but if they did, I could still go here, password, copy and paste. Okay, and then I could click save. Okay, and when I go to my assign, maybe I want to do it to EB. I don't know. I think you're doing it under homerooms. Everyone's doing things different at different schools. So remote learning. Maybe we want to go to somebody in Holly's classroom. Okay. Click out of here. Now I can pick who I want it to assign. So I can deselect deselect all, or I can just go in here and say, oh, I only want this to go to these people. And then I would just click assign. Put your due date here. Apply. And then you could say they must go in order, but since it's just a Zoom meeting, you wouldn't have to do that. And then you would go up here to assign, and then it would go into that student's lessons. And that's how you could set up a one-on-one Zoom with a student. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out.